Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, you have said to call me, ma'am, but you have not called me.
Beta, I will call you, don't worry. You have to make your project, you have to get your project ready by 10th January.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, by 10th
ma'am,
January.
it
So,
was 20 deadline.
yes, beta, it was, but I got to know yesterday only in the evening that it's 10th of January. By 10th Jan, you have to complete it. So, anybody who wishes to make any changes, who have already sent me their presentation, if you want to add something, you feel that your presentation can be made better, so you can do that also.
Yes, ma'am.
We
Ma'am,
have
I
another
have
chance.
to. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please, ma'am, when you add the voice in my video, ma'am,
Ma'am,
please
but
send
I
it
have
to me,
sent that
ma'am,
video
because,
on YouTube also.
ma'am,
Upload that
because
video
I
on
have
YouTube
to,
also.
ma'am, because to
I have to make
change in my video.
Okay.
Now I also have to make changes in my video, so I can send it to you at 10th January.
No, don't send me on 10th January. Send me before that, so that you can make changes if I tell you to do so. Okay, you should have time for that also. Don't wait for 10th January to come. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Adrika.
ma'am, which project?
Now, Adrika, see, you don't know which project I'm talking about.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am is Adrika, ma'am is talking about the Punjab project. Okay.
You don't know about that Punjab project?
No, ma'am, I have participated in.
You have participated.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, now all of you are ready with your books?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We were on chapter number 20, right?
Yes, ma'am. Reading.
Yes, ma'am.
We have read the whole chapter or something is still left to be read?
Ma'am, left to be read.
Where were we?
Ma'am, left to be read.
Okay. Till where have we done?
Ma'am, we have to do waste management.
No, we didn't start to read the chapter.
Ma'am, we have started.
Acha, waste management. Okay, we have to start from waste management. All right. So, Anshuman, start reading page number 135, waste management.
Okay, ma'am. Waste management. Waste management means collection, transport, processing, or disposal, managing and monitoring of waste material in a safe manner to minimize its impact on our environment. There are two kinds of waste: biodegradable and non-biodegradable.
Biodegradable. Beta, biodegradable. Yes, Adrika, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, after ma'am, Anshuman, ma'am, can I read?
Beta, I will take everybody's name, don't worry. Panchul Mishra, beta, you're in the wrong class. This is class 4th going on. Yes, Anshuman, continue.
Okay, ma'am. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. biodegradable waste comes from plants and animals. It mixes with the soil without harming our environment. Food items like vegetables, fruits, and paper are biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste, such as plastic, tin, aluminium, thermocol, and glass, cause harm to the environment as they do not mix with the soil. Waste must be sorted into biodegradable and non-biodegradable before being disposed. Ma'am,
All
done.
right. Yes, good. So children, what do we see? We see that there are two types of wastes. One that gets mixed with the soil, and the other one which does not get mixed with the soil. So what is the waste called that mixes with the soil?
Ma'am, biodegradable.
Okay. Can you give me any example of biodegradable waste?
Ma'am, vegetable peels. Vegetables.
Vegetable peels, fruits.
Ma'am, half-eaten apple.
Yes?
Ma'am, vegetable peels, half-eaten apple.
Half-eaten apple. Yes.
Then what we are doing?
Ma'am, organic materials.
Yes, this is all organic waste. We are doing chapter number 20, waste management. We have just read the waste management paragraph on page number 135.
Okay, ma'am.
And
can you give me any example of non-biodegradable waste?
Plastic.
Yes.
Plastic. E-waste. Metal. Glass. Glass and all. Plastic.
All right. So that is non-biodegradable waste. Then, coming on to how is waste managed? Adrika, read out the next paragraph. How is waste managed?
How is waste managed? Burning. When waste is burnt, it creates a lot of carbon dioxide. Countries like Denmark and Germany have machines that burn, process, and manage the waste. Landfill. The waste is taken to a place where it may or may not be sorted and deposited. Reusing. Things that we do not need can be given to others who may find them useful. For example, old clothes, toys, books, jars, boxes, and bottles. Composting. All the biodegradable items such as vegetable and fruit peels, leaves, twigs, and flowers decay. This decayed organic matter makes good manure or humus. Kitchen and garbage waste can be collected in a pit or a box with small holes and be and allowed to decay for some time and used as a manure. Recycling. It is a method by which waste material such as plastic, paper, glass, tin, cans, and aluminium can be made into new useful products. Recycling protects the environment, conserves natural resources, and saves energy. Ma'am, done.
Done. So we see, children, in this paragraph we read that waste is managed in so many different ways, right?
Yes.
So what are the different ways? It is managed by burning. It is managed by being dumped into landfills. Then we can also reuse. Yes, we can also reuse a lot of things. Then we can even do composting, the organic waste, even from our.
Biodegradable can be mixed.
the organic waste that we have that is generated from our homes can be used in composting.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Is there anybody in the class in whose house composting is done with the waste material, with organic waste?
ma'am.
In your house? Really, Anshuman?
Yes,
Ma'am, in my house.
my house. Then my mother also. Ma'am, ma'am, in my house I do. Ma'am, where the
That's very nice. So you have made a proper place where you put these peels
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the pot.
in the porch.
Ma'am,
All right, very good. And the last
Ma'am,
method is by recycling. We can even recycle a lot of things and they can be used. This can do what? This can save the environment. Now coming on to the last one, doing our bit.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Okay, Iram, read.
Okay. Ma'am, I am not to read, ma'am. I am telling something. Doing our bit, we can follow the given steps to make sure that we conserve the environment. First, reduce creating waste, consumption of paper, fuel, and water. Second, use crockery at home that can be washed and reused. Third, reuse things like gift wrapping paper, packing boxes, clothing, furniture, and toys. Fourth, recycle by changing the original look and shape of things like using an old tire as a swing, converting old bottles into useful storage jars, and writing on both sides of a sheet of paper. Taking care of our environment is important for the survival and health of human beings. Plants and animals are natural sources means prevention of loss, waste, damage, and destruction of our environment. Conserving the environment is a collective effort and we all need to do our bit. Ma'am,
So,
I have read.
yes, good. So what is meant by doing our bit? Doing our bit means giving our contribution. Doing our bit is like playing our role. Playing what contribution can we give to conserve our environment? So what kind of little things can be done? Children, if we want, if we make it a point, then we can also contribute towards the conservation of our environment. How? By not wasting paper, fuel, and water. What do? We waste so much paper in writing also. So both sides of a paper should be used in writing. Both the sheets should be used. Unnecessarily, we should not. I have seen you children doing when you were in class 3. You used to waste paper in the class. So these little things, if we take care of, we can contribute. It can be our bit towards saving the environment. Then we should use crockery like which can be washed and reused. Instead of using the plastic disposable utensils, crockery, we can use
crockery.
crockery is the utensils in which you eat. Okay. And then we can also reuse gift papers, packing papers, boxes, clothing, furniture, toys.
Yes, ma'am. My mother reuses wrapping.
Yes, yes, that's
paper.
very nice. And recycle by changing the original look and shape of things like using an old tire as a swing, converting bottles into old storage jars, and writing on both sides of a sheet of paper. So if we also start doing these things, that will be our contribution towards saving the environment. So here, till here, we come to the end of the chapter. Now, last is in a nutshell. Apurva Thakur, read out in a nutshell.
Can I read?
What happened, Apurva? Are you not reading?
Ma'am, I am reading. Can you hear my voice?
Now I can hear your voice. Earlier I could not.
Pollution leads to environmental degradation. We must conserve the environment and its natural resources. There are different kinds of waste such as solid, liquid, chemical, medical, organic, and e-waste. Waste management is the collection, transportation, process, or disposal of waste in a safe manner. Waste can be biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Waste can be disposed by burning, landfill, recycling, reusing, and composting.
Very nice. So children, is everything clear in this chapter?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in the last line, in a nutshell, it is written waste can be disposed by burning landfills, recycling, reusing, and composting. Ma'am, if we burn the waste, then the pollution will cause air pollution. Ma'am, this is also good environment.
Yes, beta. Now see, on page number 135, it is already given that there are machines that burn, process, and manage the waste. So in those machines, there is surely a way out through which there is not much carbon dioxide released into the air. Burning is also burning wisely, not that just burning on the road. It's not like that. There are proper machines in which you burn the garbage. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Then with this, we come to the end of this chapter. Now you have 5 minutes. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Try to do these exercises on your own and then we are going to discuss them.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have done.
Yes, those who have already done, very nice, but there are children who have not done.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done till ABC.
These are very simple general things. All of you, I'm sure. Very good, beta, very nice. Done the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Varun, read out the first sentence.
We need to protect or dash our environment.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, conserve our environment.
Yes, we need to
Conserve.
protect or conserve our environment.
Ma'am, can I tell the next one?
Yes, tell.
Pollution leads to environmental death. Ma'am, should be degradation.
Yes, pollution leads to environmental degradation. Yes, read out the third one.
Plants and animal waste is that. Biodegradable.
Plants and animal waste is biodegradable.
Can I read next one?
Then the next one, we need to dash garbage very responsibly. We need to
Recycle.
Dispose.
Yes. We need to dispose garbage very carefully. Sorry, responsibly.
Responsible.
Then the next one, match the columns.
Ma'am, the answer of second and third one is degradation and biodegradable.
Yes, degradation and biodegradable. Okay. Then what is e-waste, children? If we match these columns.
Ma'am, electric waste. Ma'am, electric waste.
Very nice.
Electric waste.
What is medical waste?
Ma'am, hospital waste. Ma'am, hospital waste.
Very nice. Medical waste is bandages and syringes. Then what is hazardous?
Ma'am,
Batteries and chemicals. Batteries.
Very nice.
Batteries and chemicals.
Then after that we have solid.
Ma'am, glass. Aluminium and cans.
And what is liquid waste?
Liquid is sewage.
Sewage. Very nice. And the last one, organic.
Ma'am, food, vegetables and plants.
Food, vegetables and plants. Okay, children, again the next period is with you, right? You have SST again?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
GK. And GK period, but it is yours.
Yes.
Ma'am, in next period of GK, can we do a GK quiz?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please do. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, for sure. We will do GK.
Can you hear me?
Yes, beta, I can hear you. Tell.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, beta, I can hear you, Apurva. What happened?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Apurva, I can hear you. Apurva, can you hear me? That means Apurva cannot hear me. Apurva, can you hear me? Okay. Then coming on to the next one, true and false. Read out. Ashvik, read out the first sentence.
Waste must be sorted out before it is disposed. Ma'am, true.
Yes.
Ma'am, true.
True.
False. Who is saying false?
Ma'am, no.
mistake.
Ma'am, it
Yes.
is true.
Waste must be sorted out before it is disposed. Then the next one. Abhimanyu, read out this next one.
Proper waste management conserves our environment.
Proper waste management conserves our environment.
True.
True.
True. Ma'am, true.
It's true. Then the third one. Okay, Iram, can you read out?
Okay, ma'am.
Only the government is responsible for the conservation of the resources. Ma'am, it is false.
False.
False. Why? Because even we are responsible, not only the government. Then a lot of waste is produced by human activities.
Ma'am, it is
Ma'am, it is true.
True. Now, children, take out your copies and start writing the question number 1 from answer in brief. Put today's date, write down chapter heading, and let's start doing these question answers.
Ma'am, I have a question to you.
Yes, beta, ask.
Ma'am, you have said, ma'am, you have said to down, ma'am, I have said to that I cannot download the Zoom, ma'am, and now I can download, ma'am, I have a WhatsApp web and I have a WhatsApp in my laptop, but not the Zoom.
Ma'am, we can download it.
So, Iram, what is your question? I didn't understand only what you want to ask.
Ma'am, my question is that, ma'am, how to download Zoom, ma'am? I cannot understand till this only that I can download Zoom.
You are not being able to download Zoom in your laptop.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is saying very much that there is no Zoom, the Zoom cannot be downloaded.
Why? Why it can't be downloaded?
Ma'am, it says that the ma'am Zoom setup at 2x you have to download, and ma'am then I have download also, ma'am, 4-5 times, ma'am, but the Zoom do not download.
Now, Iram, how I can tell you without seeing it?
Ma'am, I can screen share. Ma'am, but it is a video.
You've got nobody in your house who can help you out?
Ma'am, I have my mother, but they cannot help because they don't know how to, ma'am, what are the keys in the laptop. And ma'am, my father know, so ma'am, he goes to the Agra because my nanny is in the hospital.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I know how to connect it.
Ma'am, I also know how to download it, Zoom, in a laptop.
So can you help out, Iram?
Ma'am, I know that how to connect our phone to the laptop and how to join a Zoom meeting.
Connect the WhatsApp with the laptop and download Zoom.
Okay, anybody in the class who can help out Iram, please do it, beta. Not right now, later. Not right now, later.
I study with laptop.
Ma'am, I study with laptop.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
good.
study with phone.
Very
But I
nice.
can help. I have
Ma'am,
downloaded.
after the class, I can help Iram.
Yes. Try to help Iram out. Okay. Now, the next question, the question number 1 is, what is the difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste?
No.
Have
Ma'am,
all of you have written the question?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
Write it down. Hurry up.
Ma'am, can I tell answer 1 of brief?
Yes. Tell. Varun, tell.
Okay. Ma'am, biodegradable waste are those wastes that can be mixed by the soil, and non-biodegradable waste are the waste that do not mix with the soil.
Yes. Very nice. So, children, you want me to type the answer in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
written the question.
Ma'am, I have written the
Ma'am,
second
I am-
question.
Ma'am, what is the answer of first question?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
It is in the chat box.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I answer number 2?
Beta, first write down answer number 1.
Ma'am, I've written.
Children, answer 1 is in the chat box. You can also add one line if you want, that biodegradable waste is not harmful for the environment, while non-biodegradable waste is harmful for our environment. Everyone has written question number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am writing the question number 1, ma'am, because I am disconnected.
Okay.
Ma'am, please send the answer again.
All right. Now, beta, please take a screenshot.
Okay, ma'am.
I have written the answer also of question number 1.
Question number 1. Okay. Now, children, the second question is, why is burning of waste not a good method of waste disposal? Why? Tell me.
Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am, please wait.
Burning of waste, children, why do you think burning of waste is not a good method? Does it have any bad effect?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
And it pollutes the environment. Affects the environment, and ma'am, it releases, ma'am, very much carbon dioxide.
Yes,
And ma'am,
very
the
nice.
smoke also.
Yes, that
Yes.
smoke contains carbon dioxide. Okay.
Yes.
Burning of waste is not a good method of waste disposal, as it releases a lot of smoke into the air and increases the amount of carbon dioxide and creates pollution. Okay. Answer 2 is in the chat box, children. Write from there.
Ma'am, please wait for the answer number 3, ma'am, because I have not written the answer number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no, in this class, we are only going to do till answer number 2. Okay? In the next
Okay, ma'am.
period, we will think ahead.
Ma'am, can I tell ma'am a wise speak?
Ma'am, in next period, can you share answer number 2?
I can share right now only, beta. I'll share it right now. Take a screenshot. Although I have already shared it in the chat box, but I'm sharing it again. Can you see, Varun? Yes.
After 4 days, ma'am, Happy New Year is coming.
Yes. The end of this year is coming.
Yes.
Ma'am, on Christmas I have eaten, ma'am, 3 cakes.
Oh my God, 3 cakes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Ma'am, on Christmas I have make a very simple tree.
And ma'am, next day I was in the toilet.
Oh, your stomach got upset.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you're fine?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
time Christmas I can't celebrate.
Ma'am, I also. Ma'am, I am not got the gift also.
Ma'am, but yes, ma'am, I also. But we will. Ma'am, I also not celebrated. Ma'am, we will celebrate New Year with our friends. And
What? I can't understand. What did you say there?
we celebrate the New Year.
Ma'am, we are saying we will celebrate the New Year.
We will celebrate New Year with my all friends and their parents.
Very nice. Very
Ma'am.
good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
on Christmas there is a party at my
Ma'am, I have seen, ma'am, just before this, I have seen an monkey which a baby has been died.
I don't understand. You just saw a what?
I have just
Ma'am,
saw.
he is saying he saw the monkey. Ma'am, whose baby is that?
Oh, that's very sad.
Ma'am, he is putting his in his hand and moving here and there.
Right now.
Yes, ma'am, right now, ma'am, and he is in our colony only.
Oh.
Ma'am, I also.
How did the baby die? How did the baby monkey die, Dev?
Ma'am, I can.
Ma'am, he died. Ma'am, when he was playing, ma'am, he was gone on someone's terrace and he have eaten some vegetables from there. Ma'am, then they beat him very badly with an stick.
Oh my God. Ma'am, I even have a sad story.
What sad story do you have?
I did have a bitch, ma'am. She had a fever, ma'am. The morning, ma'am, I got to Nani. Ma'am, she was crying. Ma'am, then I heard Nana saying that, ma'am, she has expired.
Oh.
Ma'am, I had 2 bitches and ma'am, they all expired.
इस
Ma'am,
नंबर का
just
पास
like a fever. Ma'am, I have cried so much.
Poor animals. They cannot